automatic generation of PLC diagram with the help of ENI designer. There comes the Excel sheet in the backend, which contain all the details of the PLC to be used. It includes the part numbers along with the catalog IDs, card details, rack, slots and device numbers, and various other details with description. So for the generation of PLC diagram automatically, all you need to do is make a copy of this Excel sheet, make the required changes in it and save it into the folder. Then go back to the ENI designer. From ET menu option, select the PLC visa. There, a dialog box will appear where you have to choose the desired Excel sheet in which you have made the changes and then click on OK. After that, a PLC input-output wizard dialog box opens where you have to make the IO board settings and construction settings. First of all, going for the IO board specification, with the help of the drop down, you can select the input-output board name and the other details such as device tag, complete location ID, part numbers, manufacturers, and other details are automatically selected referring to the Excel sheet. Then go to the construction settings. If you want to generate the PLC drawing in the current drawing which is open in the backend, then you have to check this button. If you want to create a fresh sheet for PLC, do not check this button. You can either make the orientation vertical or horizontal here. You can make the settings of the start and the end signal of the PLC by giving the desired number of start as well as end signal. If you want to split the PLC card automatically, we have also got that option. Currently selecting the first option, then click on OK button. Now you can observe on the left hand side in the tree structure a new document group for PLC drawing is created, under which the PLC diagram is generated automatically along with its title block. You can resize the title block later considering the size of your PLC drawing. So this is how, with the help of Excel sheet, the details of the PLC are reflected into this drawing, which includes various intelligent objects such as terminal controls, switches, wires, and the cables, and the input-output board along with the description. This saves the drafting time and you get the PLC drawing generated for your project automatically with great accuracy with the help of ENI designer.